All right, check this out. You are looking at a live demo of an AI that predicts the stock market. We're going to be testing it out with real money. And by the end of this video, we're going to see if it is better than experts or not. If you guys have been following for a while, you know that we like to test things out before we actually use them, so we can show you guys if something works or not. Now, the way this demo is gone, work is I am gone. Type in some prompts for you guys to see how it works. But don't worry, I've already done hundreds of tests. So we got enough data to know if this thing really works or not. The way we're going to test it is I'm going to say, okay, AI, predict what Tesla stock will do tomorrow. If it's up or down, you need to tell me that. Then I'm going to give it some real trading parameters. For example, if you think the stock is going to go up, then I want you to say buy 100 shares of Tesla stock. If you think it's going to go down, then I want you to say sell 100 shares of Tesla stock. So simple, right? Seems easy to do. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, so first up, I'm gone. Ask the AI if it thinks Tesla stock is going to go up or down tomorrow. Here are the results. It says there is an equal chance of the stock price increasing or decreasing. So basically it's saying it doesn't know. Okay, so now I'm going to cancel this because it doesn't know. Now let's try it again. Let's go ahead and ask it again. It says the probability of the stock price increasing is slightly higher than decreasing. Okay, so it is giving us a little bit more information here. So I'm going to go ahead and take that. So now it's saying that there's a chance that it could go up. I'm going to say buy 100 shares of Tesla stock. Okay, so now it has given us a prediction, saying buy 100 shares of Tesla stock. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I just bought 100 shares of Tesla stock. Okay, so the next day comes around. How did we do? We actually made money. So this thing actually predicted the stock correctly. So we were up $16. But that was just one data point. So let's go ahead and continue testing this out. Okay, so now we're on our second trade here. What does the AI say? It says the stock price is likely to decrease tomorrow. Okay, so now it's telling us to sell. So I'm going to go ahead and sell. All right, so we sold and we actually lost money. So it didn't predict the stock correctly this time. But we are still up from the first trade. So let's go ahead and keep on going here. Okay, so now it's saying that the stock price is likely to increase. So it's saying buy. We'll go ahead and buy. All right, so we just bought 100 shares again. Okay, so now it's saying the stock price is very likely to decrease. So it's telling us to sell. We'll go ahead and sell. All right, so we just sold. The AI just made us sell. Okay, so now it's saying the stock price is likely to increase. So it's telling us to buy. I'm going to go ahead and buy, right? So we just bought. Okay, so now it's saying the stock price is very likely to decrease. So it's telling us to sell. I'm going to go ahead and sell. All right, so we just sold. We are still up overall. We are up $39 from where we started. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that this thing does work. The last thing I want to show you guys is this. This is all of the predictions that it gave us. And to be honest with you, this looks a lot like gibberish. So even though this thing can predict the stock market, I wouldn't exactly call it an expert just yet. It still needs a little bit more work. Overall, I am impressed with the AI, but I wouldn't trust it just yet. Maybe in the future it will be better. But for now, humans still win. Thank you so much for watching.